Hi, welcome to the PrismERP technical demonstration. Today we are going to learn about pre-costing in PrismERP. Pre-costing is a part of production planning that helps estimate the manufacturing cost of a product before production begins. It uses the bill of material, production cost, and other overhead costs to calculate the expected manufacturing cost. In this session, we will learn how to create a pre-costing simulation, calculate the estimated production cost, manage simulation, and generate pre-costing reports. Navigate to the manufacturing menu on the menu bar, go to planning, then precosting to add precosting. First, select the BOM for which this precosting simulation will be created. Most of the fields will be automatically loaded by the system. Next, select the branch. We can also keep branch all to make it available for all branches. If required, enter the specification and description. For this demonstration, I'm going to skip this field. At the bottom, we have the costing details section. Here we can view the breakdown of all the cost included in the simulation. The costing type shows whether the cost is direct or indirect. Direct costs are directly related to the manufacturing the product, such as raw materials or direct labor, while indirect costs are supporting expenses such as electricity or factory maintenance. Next, we have the costing head, which shows the name of the cost. The calculation type defines how the cost is calculated. Percent calculates the cost as a percentage. Fixed adds a fixed amount, or per quantity calculates the cost based on the production quantity. We also have source here. The source indicates where the cost comes from. Calculated means the system has calculated the cost automatically, while actual means the cost has been entered manually based on the actual value. Once all the record information has been entered, click Save. The precosting simulation has now been created. This is the list of the simulation. From here, we can calculate cost for the selected simulation. Simply select the record simulation and click on this Calculate Cost option. The system will calculate the estimated manufacturing cost based on the configured BOM and other cost. If any information needs to be updated, we can click on this Edit Simulation option. From here, we can also log the simulation. Logging the simulation prevents any further modification, ensuring that estimated costing remains unchanged. We can also click View Base BOM. This is the base BOM that was used to create this precosting simulation. We already have multiple production steps added here from the base BOM that we just used to create this precosting simulation, but we can also add extra production steps if needed by clicking on this plus icon. From this report section, we can view the report of this precosting, and we can preview and download it in multiple formats. So that's it for precosting in PrismERP. Thanks for watching. Bye.